You already know that sunglasses are the perfect finishing touch to any outfit, but women's style trends change a lot from year to year and season to season. 2024 is gonna be a big, bold year for eyewear trends, so you're not gonna wanna miss out on any of these styles. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fuse channel. Today, we're covering the latest trends from runway, influencers, and regular people. And if you want sunglasses that last more than 1 year, some of these styles are also classics. Sunglasses trends for the last few years have been small and skinny, but this year, you'll notice a shift towards oversized shades again. Bold frames and lenses are back in a bigger way than ever before. I'm talking huge. I mean, people stopped wearing masks all the time, so I guess we had to figure out a way to still cover half of our face. So expect more shield eyewear, especially athleisure frames, and if you want to fully commit to the maximalist vibe, you can invest in some sunglass accessories, which I'll talk about at the end of this video. The Blenders website sells a huge shield style frame called Saturn Cloud for $59. Or you could get the coffee run shades from Quay Australia for $75. But my personal faves are the Fuse Kaio frames with the fun statement lenses. My favorite, the purple V26 color enhancing lenses. And of course, the pink mirrored lenses. I switch them out depending on my mood. By the way, the links to all the sunglasses I'm mentioning today are in the description. Speaking of bold, geometric and vintage frames are in. If you're like me and barely made it through high school geometry class, you can make up for it by getting a pair of hexagon or pentagon shaped sunglasses. Angular shapes came back in during the Y2K revival, but more recently, they switched from being narrow and subtle to pronounced and a little big and over the top. They have a unique, edgy look that's flattering on so many face shapes because they can help balance out your facial features. Like if you have a round face, they'll add angles and definition. And don't just take it from me, check out our video on the best sunglasses for different face shapes after this one. It's linked in our description, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming video on men's sunglass trends for all the guys in your life. One of my favorite parts of the vintage revival trend is buying secondhand pre-loved items. But if you thrift some old shades on Poshmark, eBay, or at a vintage store, you'll probably need new lenses. Fuse cuts custom lenses with over 25 colors and technologies. Stick around to learn more, plus you can use code FUSEYT at fuselenses.com/YouTube to get a discount on your first pair of lenses or sunglasses. But trend revivals aren't limited to the past couple decades. They can also be timeless classics. We're taking it all the way back to the 1950s. We recently posted a video about the Ray-Ban Wayfarer and the history of the brow line frames. And now, this look is back for 2024. The brow line style is usually associated with men in the 50s and 60s. But these days, it's way more gender expansive. I love the sophistication of vintage styles and how gender neutral they can be. Fuse has a summer lens starting at $39.99, which is an affordable alternative to Ray-Ban's $171 Wayfarer. But more on us in a bit. Check out our Ray-Ban guide over here to learn about their top sunglass models. Another throwback that we're predicting is gonna stay in style for years to come is the Aviator. The release of the Top Gun Maverick caused an Aviator resurge. And at Fuse, our Sanibel and Archer Aviators are some of our most popular styles for women. All right, back to modern day. One of our top trends picked this year is gradient frames and lenses, especially in lighter pastel tints. Gradients add a pop of color and added flair to any outfit. Yes Glasses has a huge selection of unique gradient lenses starting at $78. And Knockaround offers affordable frame options like Frosted Rose Quartz Fade starting at just $35. I also love this orange clear Torque color at Glasses USA. If you want a pair of oversized and gradient lenses, Fuse has gradient frame options like Tortoise Clear Fade, Red Clear Fade, and Clear Gray Fade in a bunch of our frame styles. Plus, we have gray and brown gradient lenses and mirrored lenses that have an ombre effect in the sun. The best part, you can put gradient lenses in any frame or customize your fuse frames. And remember how I mentioned accessories earlier? One of my new obsessions is wearing a chain with my glasses and sunglasses. It's a modern twist on a librarian look, plus it serves a functional purpose because it makes it harder to lose your glasses. You could find a bold or even delicate chain, like the $15 Tribeca or $6 Rockaway chains when you check out on iBuy Direct. Or you could find even a unique handmade chain from an Etsy seller. I also love protecting my eyewear with one of our soft sunglass cases at Fuse, putting my backup replacement lenses in our multi-lens case as well. Learn more about how to protect and take care of your eyewear in this video. If you find a gradient frame you like that doesn't come with gradient lens options, or you already own one of these styles and just want different lens technology, check out Fuse's affordable replacement lenses. You can also refresh old frames with new lenses or just give yourself extra lens options to switch between. We can custom cut 99% of frame styles. If you don't see your model on our site, just send us your frames and we'll create replacement custom lenses at our lab in Clearwater, Florida. We also offer our own oversized geometric, classic, and gradient frames. You can choose from dozens of unique frames and over 25 lens options, starting at $39.99. And our lenses are extremely customizable. Between prescription sunglasses, blue light blockers, color enhancing technology, polarized, and gradient, even our mirrored lenses. There's something for everyone. Check out all of our options in this video. Head to fuselenses.com/YouTube and use the code FUSEYT at checkout to get a discount on your first purchase. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. That's all for today, and thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.